Welcome back, everybody. Tom and I are on a road trip, and right before we left on Friday, I found this nice care package from one of my patrons, Carla, at our garage, and I did not open it right away because I wanted to save it for one of these charging stops. Since, we are in an electric car, we have to stop every once in a while to refill it with some electricity. So during this little bit of downtime, I thought this would be the perfect time to see what sort of wonderful goodness Carla has sent to us. So let's go ahead and open the box. Very nicely tissue papered here. Alright, we have a card. It says, Happy Halloween. Oh, it's a long card. Okay, well, let's read the thing first. It says, beware of haunted houses and things that go bump in the night, and have yourself a thrilling, chilling, spooky Halloween fright. She writes, Dear Michael, thank you for the Halloween card, because, she's a patron. If you're a patron, part of the, the things that you get every month includes, a holiday card. So, hopefully, all your Halloween props are packed away. No, they're not even close. It took me a week to pack all my props. Looking forward to seeing more YouTube videos. Enclosed in the box are 2 gifts and a print from the lemonade store that I purchased, made by my daughter-in-law. So I don't know, C-H-E-L-L-E? How would you pronounce it? Oh, Shelly. Okay. Just needs a frame. Saw this game, Stupid Deaths, and the frightfully funny name looks something terrific. LOL. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving with Tom and family. Happy hunting always, Carla. That was really thoughtful, Carla. Thank you. Let's go ahead and take a look at what it is in the box that she sent. Carla always posts wonderful pictures of her cookie creations on her Instagram page, and I was going to swear she was sending me some cookies. So this is a delightful surprise. Okay, can I just pull it out, maybe? All right, we're getting there. We're enjoying the nice sunny state of Florida right now.
It's 86 degrees. It's so, once we opened the door, I started sweating.
It's so much warmer than Atlanta, which Atlanta you'd think would be warm. But I guess it's warmer than Illinois where my parents are, and it's snowing. So, can you see that? It looks like this says, oh, I'm going to nudge the camera. Sorry, let's fix that a little bit. Okay. I want to carefully open this. I don't want to damage the picture. All right, I think I can just sort of rip this box back off. It says, eat, drink, and be merry. I'm going to go ahead and, I like this little bow. I'm hesitant to want to take it off, but let's go ahead and do that. Here we go. Eat, drink, and be merry. This was what she was saying was from the lemonade store. And it says it's www.thelemonadestore.com, and also at the lemonade _lemonade_store. So check it out online. That is amazing. Little skull. Very cool. I'm impressed. I love it. Thank you. All right. Let's see. And here we go. I think this is the Stupid Deaths game that she said. This might be perfect. We're actually going on a cruise. Might have to take this with us. Hopefully it's a 2-player game. What does it say? 2 to 6 players. The frightfully funny game. It is for ages 12 and up, so I just barely made it. See the videos, ugames.com/stupiddeaths by University Games if you are interested. But here's the description from the back. It says, Charles Darwin was right. He proved that only the fittest survive. This game celebrates the stupidest deaths over the centuries. Players race the Grim Reaper around the game board before the Grim Reaper catches and kills them. Stupid Deaths is full of dark fun where players who are dead right win. All right. Well, I look forward to playing this, and I'll have to give you guys a review once we do. And Tom will be my captive audience, so he has no excuses not to play my game with me. So thank you, Carla, and thank you all for watching. I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and we'll see you a little bit later. So till then, take care.